Man, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I could use some Chinese food. How about you? RV style. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and we are going to do something fun tonight for dinner. We are going to do a grilled shrimp fried rice. That's right, we're going to do it on the grill, get the shrimp going there. We are going to do the rice inside, but it's a combination that's going to taste great, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Let's get it started. So one of the first things we have to do is get the glaze and marinade ready for the shrimp. That's going to involve getting it onto the stove with some soy sauce, some spices, and let it thicken up a little bit. And we'll use that to soak the colossal shrimp in first, and then also use that to brush over the shrimp when it's on the grill. We've already started to get everything ready for everything else. The mise en place is ready for the rice, and it'll be ready to put all together quick, fast, and in a hurry. So let's go do it. So in a warm pan, you want to add in some brown sugar. You then want to add in some garlic. I use minced garlic there. A little bit of ginger, dried ginger, and then some allspice. Add in a little bit of fish sauce, and then finally some soy sauce. And then you want to start heating that up and stirring that and melting all of that down, combining things together. Then finally you want to add in a little bit of a slurry, just some water and flour. Stir it up, get it to a nice thick consistency. So the marinade / glaze is now complete. What you want to do is you want to pour that over the colossal shrimp. Let that sit for a little bit before you put it on the skewers and get that onto the grill. Make sure you soak your skewers in water first because you don't want them to burn when they get onto the grill. Now the shrimp will cook very quickly on the grill, so you have to watch them. You want to glaze them a couple of times with some of the glaze that we made earlier, and then we marinated them in. And then once the shrimp are ready, you want to pull them in, put them on the side, and then we go ahead and start working on the rice. Yeah, the shrimp looks perfect. It's now time to get it off the grill and start with the fried rice. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you like what you're seeing in this video and you like the videos in general that come on the RVJedeye channel, please subscribe and share. All you have to do is click that subscribe button below. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and that will let you know whenever a new video comes your way. So the shrimp is off of the grill. It is now time to start the rice. It really goes fast here because you're gonna take some oil, get it into a pan, and then you wanna add in your carrots, your onions, a little bit of jalapeno, some garlic, and then you wanna add in an egg, get that going. And then you want to add in your rice, some soy sauce, and get it to the consistency that you want. Now, I'm going to put 1 or 2 of the shrimp in while I'm cooking, but I'm going to leave most of the shrimp out and put it into the rice as we plate it up. The fried rice is done. It's ready. Let's plate it up and eat this bad boy. And there you have it, grilled shrimp fried rice. Let's try this up. I have some red wine, some yellowtail Pino Noir, and let's try this out. Absolutely fantastic. This is really easy to do. I'll put a link to how I did it underneath, and try it. You can do it on the road. You know my motto. Never eat poorly on the road. No need to, especially when you can chef it up like this. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. You can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye. And of course, you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, chef it up, have some fun, eat well, and let me know how it turns out.